Hey there, this is Jarrett, the occupational therapist, lymphedema therapist, and I'm here to give a review on these slipper socks. The hardest thing that I find is a reliable pair of slipper socks for my clients while they're wearing their compression wraps, and I found that this pair that we purchased has really helped out this lady. They have been used for about 3 weeks now, and the tread on the bottom is still pretty sticky to where she won't slip with them. The ankle portion of the sock is still pretty, it's still pretty, I don't want to say tight, but it is on the ankle where it's not giving too much compression, but where it is tight enough so that it doesn't fall down the ankle. She's not having any complaints of pain with the slipper socks, and the staff are doing a good job at washing them. I like that it came with a pair of 12. That way she has a lot to choose from, and if one pair does eventually wear out, she can swap out to another pair. But otherwise, this batch of slipper socks look like it's going to work out well for her and for my other clients. So I would definitely recommend these.